Okay guys, today we're going to be talking about how to clean the Sig P320. Okay, so first things first, make sure the gun is nice and clear. And we're going to put this little lever down all the way forward, and then, oh, I forget, you don't have to pull the trigger. This is the M17. Some types of guns do. So I'm so used to it. Anyway, so then we're going to push this spring forward, and then spring come out, and then ball come out, and now it's field strip, and this is as far down as I'll go to clean it. Then we're going to take your cleaner of choice. Mine happens to be Ball Stall. I've been using this stuff for years. It's great, clean and lube. So it's going to kind of get in here. Honestly, you don't, unless your throttle control group back here and everything is super dirty, you don't have to spray it. It'll just get more junk. Ain't gonna hurt it. And then on the slide, I'm just going to spray on the top here, spray on the front here. Nice little Ball Stall, you don't have to worry about getting on plastics, ain't going to hurt nothing. That's super convenient. In the barrel, definitely want to put a bunch in there and let that soak for a bit. And then on your recoil spring, it never hurts to spray that a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to let it soak for, I don't know, a few minutes, then we're going to wipe it all down. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and grab a bunch of cheapo paper towels, or you can get these gun patches if you're wealthy and you want to just buy expensive patches, but honestly, cheap paper towels work just fine. And then we're just going to wipe everything down in here. We're going to wipe off the spring, and then we're going to clean out the barrel and shove a couple things through it, and then we'll wipe down the side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll show you a little bit more detail of the barrel. Okay, a couple places where you want to focus on. Obviously, up here will be a little bit dirty. Around the outside of the gun is one place people don't really think about, but a lot of the muzzle blast will get the outside dirty. Also on a frame here, and then if you have like a light, even the top of the light can kind of get a little dirty there as well. Sorry, I forgot to mention here on the slide, not the barrel, you can take like a nylon brush, an old toothbrush, and really kind of scrub the part that interfaces right with the cartridge. So on the barrel, we're just going to wipe it off super good on that feed ramp, and then I'm just going to take a couple of these and I just wad them up real good, and then I just shove them down the barrel, kind of just twisting it as it goes into the barrel. And then I just get one of these things from like a pistol cleaning kit, and then just really shove that all the way down. And that really helps clean out your barrel nice and good. And then if it's really dirty, I'll do that a couple times. This gun really isn't that dirty right now, so I'm just going to do it once. But this is all the crap I've gotten from it so far. If you have a really dirty gun, man, you'll get a lot more crap. Okay, and then I'm just going to wipe everything down because I just wiped everything off really good already, and then I'll put it back together. Okay, so put everything back together. We're going to take a slide, put the barrel in there. That knobby thingy instead of the orange end back there, that's what goes in front. Just gonna push that with your thumb, put some there, and then before I mount this on here, I will actually take a little bit of gun grease and I'll put it wherever the slide interfaces with the frame. And so usually that's going to be these metal doohickeys here. Also here. Some guns it's really obvious, sometimes it's not as obvious, especially when they're new. You can't see as much where the interface. It's not going to rub directly on the frame, so I'm not going to worry about that. There's a little bit here, but it doesn't rub there very often. Okay, mostly those guys there. And then I'm going to put this on. I'm going to kick that up. And then rub that grease around a little bit. Okay, and now you can see there's a bunch of extra lube and stuff on there just from me touching everything, and my hands are all greasy. So then at the very end, I'll just go ahead and rub the extra grease off the back there. There's a little bit in there still. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. And then I'll rub down the rest of it. And then you have a clean Sig P320. This is specifically the M17. Okay guys, if you have any other questions on how to clean your Sig P320, please put in the comments below. Okay guys, thanks for watching.